In this video, we will show you how to install WireCrafters RackBack. Take a look at your palletized shipment and make sure everything is there. Cut the straps holding your panels and locate the box of parts attached to the bottom of the pallet. Inside the box, you will find all the hardware you need, as well as your printed installation instructions. Attach the mounting brackets to the rack uprights corresponding to the holes on the end of the panels. If needed, have someone else hold the panels in place so you can line everything up. Once the mounting brackets are attached, lift the panels into place. Secure them in place with the provided 3/8 inch by 1 inch bolts. To attach panels above or below one another, align the slotted holes and connect them with the 3/8 inch by 1 inch bolts. Repeat these steps for all panels and then tighten your hardware.